Oh my.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hey, welcome people. My dear, blessed manners and respect each and everyone. I'm going to present videos to you that shows the situations. You see, anyway, so first up, my people, I am going to present to you piece of a video that's going to show some things that happened during and because of a struggle between two persons. Now, my people, the reason why I'm not presenting the entire video to you is because of the struggle between those persons that can be considered as some type of a fight. Now, I'm going to try and explain it a certain type of way because according to an allegation and unconfirmed information that I got about the situation, allegedly, one person saw the other person and moved towards the person, and it is believed that one person did something that is considered to be bad, and the situation resulted in a struggle between those two persons. Information about the situation are somewhat sketchy to my knowledge, during subscribers, but I do get the understanding that there's an allegation that one person might have attacked the other person somehow, and the other person defended one's self or might have put up some form of a resistance. The video that I saw shows one person dragging the other person by the hair, my people. And then at some point, other persons arrived at the scene where the struggle happened between those persons. And then at some point, at least one person held on to one of those persons who was involved in the struggle. And in my point of view, the person roughed the person because that person hit that person. So I assume that that person did something wrong from the first time I see the video. Oh, and after I present the video to you, my viewers subscribers, I'm going to read some words from comments that I made on social media where this video that I saw had been posted. But anyways, for people, see, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine where the video had been recorded, and I did not get any confirmed information to determine what exactly might have caused the situation. The video shows when at least one person hit the other person. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. So basically, the person held on to the person by the hair. What? Oh my. Oh my. That person put up a defense. But the other person. Well, I'm look and see what one. Basically, we just look at the video. What? What am I saying? Basically, me just look at the video, my people, because the video don't have any audio. Or the one that I saw don't have any audio. The video that I saw don't have any audio. Look at how you can look at the way the person basically was treating the other person. You know, it is believed that person did something rude. That person that did something wrong. Yeah, that person that did something wrong. Notification somebody with one hand up to the side of the head, this I can assume, but when I jump to the conclusion, didn't get certain confirmed information about that situation. Yeah? Unexpected. Unexpected. We have another topic I'm going to talk about too, that is unexpected, but after this I'm going to read words from some comments that I've made on social media about this video, or where the video has been posted on social media. Let's hold on. Now, if I make any mistake while reading any of these words from any of these comments, or even the pronunciation of any words or any of these comments, please forgive me. I'm just trying to understand. You see me? I say, oh, and I'm not able to confirm if any words in any of these comments are accurate or even true about the situation pertaining to the video that I saw. So, words in one of these comments that I saw are, he have a woman manhandling him. LMAO. Another comment have some words in it, and they are, so the car person couldn't come out and help her. Some words in another comment are, that car man now gets strength to come out when other people come. Words in another comment are, so why didn't the driver of the vehicle come out and render STEUPPSSS some assistance to the woman? Alright, so words that are coming are, next time the bandit knew next time not to have long hair. He got rough up like a rag doll. Words that are coming are, so macho man in the car sat there and just casually watched the scenario and did nothing until others came. Nah, man. More words that are coming are, I am happy you are safe, my dear. God bless you and keep you safe. God protect you. To the car man, what really wrong with you? That girl could freak out. They're putting up a fight. But people, only more comments have been made about the video on social media. So I say, but the thing about it is though, is that some of the comments basically have been made not only about the video, but pertaining to who's was operating a motor vehicle that I can see in the video. Alright, my people, so I'm going to present a video to you that have been recorded within the country of Jamaica, and this video is going to show some things that happened when a person was being detained or held by police within the country of Jamaica. So I got the understanding from unconfirmed information about the situation, about a disagreement or an allegation pertaining to what happened between the person and the police viewing subscribers. I'm not sure if it is about the approach or what. And so I say, but the video that I'm about to present to you shows when the situation reached to a point where a law enforcer used one hand to hold the person at the neck, or the law enforcer put one hand at the person's neck viewing the subscribers, and the law enforcer use the other hand to hold an object as well. So in my point of view, these are some things that somewhat draw the attention of some persons. Look and listen to the video. Tell me what you think about a situation like this. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Hey, boy, go shot, boy. Go move your boy. Holy Babida. No, see man change that glove, but man change that
Well, I know my people because I look on the video there and I'm not trying to be disrespectful. Alright, so now my people, don't get me wrong because I don't encourage no type of foolishness. I respect rules and law. See, you have good persons out there, bad persons out there. However, you notice me say a certain amount of law enforcers in the video. And if that person, let me say it like this. If that person is unarmed, then when I say the law enforcer held on to that object or thing that is believed to be a weapon, I think that was a little bit too much based on the type of job that they're doing. That's in my point of view. Is it me I say? Yeah, I think so, because if you notice, there was at least one other law enforcer who somewhat did something which I assume de-escalate whatsoever was about to happen. Yes, what I say? But that's just my point of view. You can tell me if you think I'm wrong or if I'm right. But somebody kind of get a little bit heated right there in that situation. Leave a comment or comments let me what you think. And again, I'm not being disrespectful. I respect rules and laws, but no one is perfect. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened between police and a person who was holding an object that is considered to be a weapon. And in my point of view, that person who was holding that object that is considered to be a weapon did something that I think is really bad. Really bad in my point of view, viewers and subscribers. Because the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show the person moving forward to at least one law enforcer at one point while holding the object. And the law enforcer sprayed something in the direction of the person. In my point of view, that is some type of self-defense. My people, the video also shows when the person swing the object in the direction of a law enforcer. And the law enforcer sprayed that thing in the direction of the person. And whatever the law enforcer sprayed in that person's direction caused the person to stop moving forward to the law enforcer. My people, if I am correct, that person in trouble with the law. Based on how the person dress, I assume that's a female. You see me? My people, let me present the video to you that I saw. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. And I did not get any confirmed information to determine where the video had been recorded. Observe. My people, mental health is no joke. And based on when we see the person doing another video there, I wonder about that person's mental health. Eh? I did not get any confirmed information to determine about any injury or anything like that, viewers subscribers. And in my point of view, I think that the law enforcer who sprayed whatever the law enforcer sprayed did a good job of not only defending oneself, but to stop the person from whatsoever the person might have intended to. Because in my point of view, you know, if something like this happens certain places out there in the world, you know, the outcome of it, OMG, the outcome of it might not be the same as we have seen in that video. Anyways, no, I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, I'm Minion Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.